Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Growthnetics. Today I'm going to be covering one stock that I think is going to be a good opportunity to capitalize on. So if you stick to the end of the video, you're going to know what reasons why. That being said, today's video is for entertainment purposes only. And if you like this content, please do me a big favor. Hit the like button and also subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you're in that position or not, and if you're going to be buying more or not. So that being said, no more gimmicks. Let's jump right into the video. So the reasons that I think it's a really phenomenal company, I know it took a huge dip recently, and I know a lot of people that lost money just buying the peak. It's problematic, honestly speaking. Again, do your own research, but if you have bought in the peak, do not sell at a loss. Just don't. Just be patient. This is a long-term investment. This is a long-term company, and you shouldn't really worry about it right now unless if significantly something happens within it. You know, a crisis happens or some crazy financial scheme happen, whatever. But as of right now, it is a very profitable company. It is profitable in its own market. It stands pretty strong when it comes to the competitors. So you got to keep that in mind, and also understand that, yeah, hype. A lot of people are buying stocks and skyrockets. But honestly, fundamentally speaking, this is a very solid company. So you're not really gambling like going to GameStop or anything like that. So hang in there, be patient. That's the key of being an investor, and average down. If you have money into your bank, cash reserves, in other words, like 10-20%, maybe it's a good idea to start averaging down if you believe in that company, you know, dollar down. So that being said, like I said, it is a profitable company, have extremely strong fundamentals. If you look at their balance sheet, it's really good. The debt to income ratio, the revenue that you have, it's a very good, strong fundamental company that, again, like when I invest, all my stocks are based on fundamental. Now, if I'm talking about penny stocks, it's a little bit different because there's a little bit more risk. And obviously there's not a lot of history. Most of them don't. But this company right here has that strong fundamentals, has that profitability as a company, which as an investor, that's what you really should be feeling secure about. Another thing too as well, it continues to expand the footprint. You know, it's just bought a company, it acquired a company in the US, and then also it has its own UK, and it's trying to get into Europe as well. So it's expanding as a company, and also there's a merger coming in as well, so which is going to put the company in a bigger scale when it comes to the cannabis business. Okay, so exponential future growth, no doubt. Once the legalization or marijuana here in the US gets legalized in a federal level, you're going to see a significant increase in volume and sales, and I believe this company is going to be a leading company when it comes to having these type of sales. Now, do understand, as an investor, you got to be aware that this is a Canadian company, so really it's a little bit more tricky because they don't necessarily are in the US business. But who's to say this company is not going to be merging with one of the companies in the US, or even acquiring one of the companies in the US once it gets legalized in a federal level? If this happens, you're going to see this company grow exponentially high in the long term. Maybe in the next 2 to 3 years, we don't know. But you got to always keep that in mind. What is the long-term strategy for this company? What is the long-term future for this company? And this company is looking bright because, as we can see, a lot of states are getting legalized, and it's just a matter of time till it gets federally legalized. And then also, like I said, the wide range of footprints. Like I said, it's just they have the UK, they're getting into Europe, they acquired a company in the US. So it definitely have a wide range of not only footprints, but also it's well diverse products. It has a lot of products that are very well diverse, from CBD to CBG. So like there's like edibles, there's smoke, there's vape. So it's diversifying its portfolio as a company within its products. So it's not really dependent into just one particular product that they're just trying to sell, which is always a great thing to have with any company. And also they're creating their own little brands as well. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope find it to be useful. If you do, please make sure you like and subscribe to me, and also let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions in regards to the company. Not only that, I'm really curious about knowing whether or not you're fully invested as an investor, and what price average are you currently in, and when you're going to be selling out. I know personally I actually was into it, bought it and then sold it when it started dipping, and then I actually bought again about 200 shares, and I'm going to continue on buying more. So I'll see you guys later. Take care and have a nice day.